William Hill, the home of betting.
Saturday action at Newmarket then, what a card it is. And let's start here off weekend winners RPTV in the Royal Lodge, and it looks like a two-way play this. And Ballydoyle, John Gosden, which way are we going to go? Deville will do for me. Really liked his maiden win earlier in the season, and he beat a tough sort of Jim Bolgers. That was last time out when making it 2 from 2. He's got the rail here. He's got Ryan Moore coming back on the comeback trail. Everything's looks right. I can see him making all. Foundation of John Gosden's. He's 2 from 2 as well. Particularly impressive last time out. He is working well, and Frankie Dettori gets on board. So it's going to be a real rumble in the jungle this. Stick with Ballydoyle.